A very serious crime had taken place in Goa. Rape of a foreign lady. On 20th of December, and within hours of this incident, which happened in Kankona, a team of Police Inspector Pair Sandesh Chodandar and his entire team, they were able to catch this accused who had earlier committed a burglary of about 32 lakhs in a hotel in North Goa. That burglary incident happened on 18th of December, and since then P.I. Pernem and his team were constantly working to solve this case. And it so happened that the same accused committed this rape in Kankona, and immediately after few hours, P.I. Pernem was able to catch this fellow, who is a known burglar and criminal, Ramchandran, from Tamil Nadu. In this connection, his entire team of P.I. Pernem and he himself is being rewarded with certificate and cash reward, and we are here to give away these awards to the entire team so that the good work is recognized, and as well as it acts as a motivator for other police officers. The promptness with which this accused was arrested, based on lot of hard work and continuous monitoring and policing, is very remarkable.